Imagine this. You could save thousands of dollars just by tweaking one simple thing about your credit. Banks, credit card companies, they don't want you to know this trick because it could cost them money. Today, I'm going to reveal the exact method Mark used to increase his credit score by 100 points in months, saving him $15,000 on his mortgage. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you isn't common knowledge, and it could change your financial life. Most people believe credit scores are just about paying bills on time. But here's the truth. That's only 35% of the story. Your score depends on multiple hidden factors, and banks know them all. That's why someone paying all their bills can still get denied or offered high interest rates. Mark, a 32-year-old teacher, was in this exact position. He was careful with his finances, but when he applied for a mortgage, the bank slapped him with a sky-high interest rate, literally costing him thousands. That's when he discovered a little-known trick that banks never share. Within a few months, his score jumped over 100 points, and he finally qualified for the mortgage he wanted at a fraction of the cost. Mark had been doing everything by the book. He paid bills on time, had a stable income, and even reduced some debts. But no matter what he did, his credit score barely moved. Banks kept giving him confusing advice like just pay your bills on time or reduce total debt. None of that worked until he uncovered the insider trick. This is what most people don't realize. Your credit score is not just a number. It's a story banks tell about your financial behavior. And if you know how to influence that story, you can save thousands of dollars just like Mark. Your credit score is made of 5 main factors. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. New credit inquiries, 10%. Credit mix, 10%. Most advice focuses on paying bills on time, but that's only part of the puzzle. Mark thought he was doing everything right. His total credit utilization was 25%, which seems fine. But here's the twist. Banks look at utilization per card, not just total utilization. Even if your total utilization seems good, one card maxed out can drag your score down significantly. Here's the trick banks never share. Lower utilization on each card individually, not just your total. Let's take Mark's case. Card 1, 60% full. Card 2, 20% full. Card 3, 10% full. His total utilization was 25%, but card 1 was hurting his score badly. He paid that card down to 10%, and his score jumped 25 points in just 1 month. Psych insight. People assume paying off the largest debt is enough, but banks evaluate each account separately. This is why small, strategic actions can create massive results. Mini curiosity loop. Later in the video, I'll show you a trick to manage cards automatically to maximize your score every month without thinking about it. Another huge factor is when you pay your credit cards. Banks report balances once a month to credit bureaus. If your card is high when it's reported, it lowers your score. But if you pay before the reporting date, your score jumps. Example, Mark learned his cards reported on the 15th. He started paying a week early, and his score jumped 30 points immediately. It's like timing a stock trade. You want to appear at your best at the right moment. Psych insight. Most people never think about reporting cycles. Timing your payments gives you a huge advantage over people who just pay bills randomly. Even small mistakes can undo all your hard work. Avoid closing old cards, shortens credit history. Maxing out cards, opening multiple accounts in a short period. For example, a client of mine closed a 10-year-old card thinking it wouldn't matter. His score dropped 40 points instantly. Credit isn't just about total debt. It's about how banks perceive your financial habits. Monitor your credit using soft pulls. These check your score without hurting it. Hard pulls, like applying for a new loan, temporarily reduce your score. Mark used soft pulls to experiment with strategies before applying for a mortgage, protecting his score while optimizing it. Even a 20-point increase can save thousands over a loan's life. Mark's 100-point jump saved him over $15,000. That's the power of small strategic adjustments. Check individual card utilization. Keep each below 10 to 20%. Pay before reporting dates. Keep old accounts open. Avoid maxing out cards. Track your score with soft pulls. Use automatic alerts to avoid high balances. Review credit reports for errors. Mistakes can drop points. Follow these steps consistently, and your credit will improve much faster than most people realize. Your credit score isn't fixed. It's completely controllable. Most people think a low score is permanent, but with the right strategy, timing, and knowledge, you can take control and save thousands. It's not about perfection, it's about smart, informed action. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Share this with anyone applying for a loan. They'll thank you. Remember, small actions today can save thousands tomorrow. Take control of your credit. Your financial freedom is waiting.